It's going to be a box truck, you advise?
County 4-1, Charlie. And so it's a box truck coming up to an exit, the Stanford exit. It's going to be in the far right lane. Go ahead. For reference to stolen vehicle, we're working.
Another copy. We got a vision on the vehicle. Still eastbound on I-4. Alright, the vehicle's continuing. He's going to be over to Volusia here in a few.
County 4-1, give me Volusia County.
Yeah, he's slowing down. It's on the medium right now. Vehicle's taking off again. Still eastbound on I-4. A signal 10 vehicle, stolen truck, eastbound on I-4, coming up to Berry Avenue right now. It's in Volusia County right now. Have an Orange County unit that's behind it, and we got a visual on the vehicle.
Alert 1, we got the information and we're listening to ATAC 91. Our units are heading into the area.
10-4, just want to make sure you guys are aware. And the vehicle's getting off right now. The tunnel. Just make sure you guys know the vehicle is at the Berry Avenue, and he's about to go eastbound on the Berry Avenue.
Yeah.
Eastbound on the Berry Avenue. Slow speeds right now.
Eastbound on Berry Avenue.
Vehicle's passing Big Lake Drive, still eastbound on Doyle. It stopped at Kirk Hill Road and Doyle.
I just want to send a street name and the numerical when you get a chance.
Trying to make a U-turn here now.
That's a ranch. Hey, you got it. That's one unit at the moment.
Chase the number units on it. That's just a good.
Alright, 2 units are making contact.
40 Orange County wants BCSO to take over the call and engage this information.
I'm coming on scene now, and I see all of them out here.
They got the driver right now. They got the driver secure now.
Copy, driver secure.
Bravo 40, copy tag.
10-4 out of Tampa.